What are the steps to become a real estate billionaire? Howard Galt says, study, study, study. Then follow the formula put forth in the game Monopoly. Buy a house, then 2, then 3, then 4. Sell those 4 houses and use a tax provision known as a Starker or 1031 exchange to turn them into a hotel or apartment complex. Repeat until you have 4 hotels or apartment complexes. Turn them in and develop a neighborhood with houses, stores and apartment complexes. Keep repeating until you become a billionaire. I will have to let you know I have never met anyone who actually did this. I have known some who got to the $10 to $20 million range and one who is probably around the $50 million range. Then they began to slack off. When your monthly income gets up to the 6 figures, none of them take home more than $50,000 per year, but that is a different question. Even if you never go to work another day in your life, it gets tempting to travel and spend time with the spouse, the kids and the grandkids. Do I put in another month of 16-hour days or do I become a patron of the symphony and take in some concerts? It is a wonderful decision to be stuck having to make. Another way to do it is like Ray Kroc. Develop or buy a franchise system and make your franchisees buy the $1 billion worth of land for you. Although that is probably more profitable, it is a lot more difficult and has a much higher failure rate. Almost everyone can figure out how to buy 3 or 4 houses. Not everyone is a business genius. Best of luck to you. You can become a billionaire with real estate if that is what you wish. Or you can just develop a worth of $5 to $10 million and enjoy a pretty good life. Christopher Hansen says, do it like Trump did. Start by inheriting piles of money from your daddy. Hide much of your daddy's estate's assets from your dead brother's young kids so they don't inherit their legitimate share. You get more. Go bankrupt 6 times. Move money back and forth between LLCs so you can pay little to no income tax for years and years. Put your kids on generous salaries and then also pay them huge consulting fees to reduce future inheritance taxes. Create a fictitious charity and then engage in self-dealing. Create a sham university with exorbitant tuition. I did this from memory. What have I missed? Janice Benstock says, yes. They can make unlimited income. It isn't easy and doesn't happen overnight, but they sure can. It takes dedication. Live and breathe real estate. Be interested in it and always learn to be the most knowledgeable in the field as you possibly can. Be led by something greater than the money, and the money will follow. Be in it to help people and be ethical, honest and fair. And when you start making money, turn around and invest it in real estate. You can make a great living selling real estate, but the way to create wealth is to invest in it. I post tips on my channels on ways to build your business. You can do this so long as you set your mind to it and never stop trying. Good luck. Thanks for watching our video on, what are the steps to become a real estate billionaire?